Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this Clockify guide for 2026, I'll show you how to fix Clockify not tracking time issues. Whether the timer won't start, time entries aren't being recorded, tracked hours are disappearing, or Clockify isn't saving your work sessions properly. There are several troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve the problem. So let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Clockify relies on a stable connection to sync time entries with your workspace. If your connection is unstable, track time may not save correctly. Next, try refreshing the Clockify page or restarting the Clockify application. Temporary software glitches can sometimes prevent the timer from functioning properly. If you're using Clockify in a web browser, make sure your browser is updated to the latest version. Older browsers may experience compatibility issues that affect timer functionality. Another useful step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted browser data can occasionally interfere with time tracking and synchronization features, and that's how to fix Clockify not tracking time issues. By checking your connection, software updates, workspace settings, and synchronization status, you can resolve most tracking problems and ensure your work hours are recorded accurately. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.